said he does good on the bike, and that's like the only thing that knocks him out.
Yeah.
Oh!
Ouch.
Oh! Woohoo! Oh!
Wow, Bailey.
Oh! She jumped so high.
Jumper! Look at this!
I was scared she was gonna jump over the fence when the other dogs are here.
Oh, huh? She's like almost there, halfway up.
She jumps high.
Yes, she does. Hey. I know, that's kind of rough in there for you, huh? Bandit! 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 Molly? Bandit!
Bailey, be good. She has dirt all over her mouth.
Wow, look at those sweet boys. Look at those sweet puppies.
I was telling my sister, I'm like, I can tell she's a puppy, right? It's not weird that I have her on this side. It's not that I wanted to over there.
No, somebody
He's
told
not
me when you
puppy.
first take them to the dog park, you should put them in with the smaller ones or let them sniff through the fence, the big ones first.
Well, then they'll see. Okay, it's cool. It's good.
Yeah.
Because if they go in there, they'll pick the fence up. Like,